Hello and welcome to our video on how to stop taking things so personally. First of all, it's important to understand that taking things personally is a natural and common human tendency. It's easy to feel hurt or offended when we feel like someone is criticizing or attacking us. But constantly taking things personally can be damaging to our mental health and relationships. It can lead to negative emotions such as anger, resentment, and low self-esteem. So how can we stop taking things so personally? Here are a few tips. Recognize that other people's behavior is often not about you. People's actions and words are often a reflection of their own thoughts, feelings, and experiences. It's important to remember that just because someone says or does something that affects us, it doesn't necessarily mean that it's about us. Practice self-compassion. It's natural to have a negative inner dialogue when we feel hurt or offended. But it's important to remember that we all make mistakes and it's okay to be imperfect. Try to speak to yourself with the same kindness and understanding that you would offer to a friend. Set boundaries. It's important to communicate clearly and assertively when it comes to what we are and are not okay with. Setting boundaries can help us feel more in control and prevent us from taking things personally. Focus on what you can control. It's easy to get caught up in trying to change or control other people's behavior. But the only person we have control over is ourselves. Instead of trying to change others, try to focus on what you can control and make positive changes in your own life. Seek support. It can be helpful to talk to a trusted friend, family member, or therapist about how you're feeling. They can offer a fresh perspective and help you work through your emotions. In summary, taking things personally is a natural tendency, but it can be damaging to our mental health and relationships. By recognizing that other people's behavior is often not about us, practicing self-compassion, setting boundaries, focusing on what we can control, and seeking support, we can learn to stop taking things so personally. Thanks for watching.